Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera up, and I hope that you can see the grid lines right here. I've applied them to the camera because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got the reset settings option, so let's tap on it and your device will ask you if you really want to restore camera to its default settings. So let's confirm it, let's tap on OK, and as you can see, we just got back. We've got the black screen and we've got the permission, so our device wants us to allow the camera to access to the device's location, and it is the very first permission we have to add if we will open the camera for the very first time. So let me deny it. As you can see here, we've got the camera and it is black. I mean, we cannot see the grid lines, so which means that for sure we just successfully reset camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings, camera preferences in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.